Hey, the Rock Doctor here, and we're making a pair of earrings. So wanted to kind of show you a little bit. I'll get up here a little bit there. See what you guys have been making and that. So I've just finished this pair of earrings, and I can't get it to focus, but I'll take a picture of it. So I hammer textured the sterling silver, and then I purchased these little cups right here. See how little they are? And we soldered them on. And then I took some Kingman turquoise, and we went ahead and glued them on to a dop stick with some super glue, and then cut them off and sanded the rest of the glue and wood off before we set them. So it's something really quick and easy to do. So I wanted to just have another little video out for you guys and go. So what are you guys doing? Have you guys made any earrings? Are you making earrings or just pendants, rings? Tell me a little bit what you're wanting to do. Please like and subscribe. And let's go ahead and follow through and see what we're doing on this project. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Keep on rocking. There you go. I'm making some earrings, and I've got these little things soldered on. And so we're going to go ahead and we are going to get to our stones. I've got some turquoise, Kingman turquoise, that we're going to shape and put that in there. Let's take a look at the stones. Okay, so I've got these two stones right here. Get it in focus there, and I super glued them on, and I'm going to be shaping these to about 5.4 millimeters. And we'll get that started here. All right, so I've got these sanded down. Try to get it in focus here. But they're not quite the right size yet. So let me show you. I'm using a template here, and right now that one will fit. I need to get it down to here. This next one, and this is 5.556, and then we'll try it out and see how well it fits in our earring piece. Right now it doesn't fit yet, but let's keep on going. Okay, I've got this one right here, and see, it fits in there. And I've been doing this on the 280, so I'm going to go to 600, 1500, and 3000. Okay. This one here still is a little bit big, so see that? So I have to kind of work on it just a little bit more. Okay, got it to fit right. So now we're going to go ahead and cut it off. I'll use my jeweler's saw. And I broke my blade. Look at that. Okay. Let's make it smaller. Get it back in there. All right, let's finish it up here. Broke it again. I'm just having a hard time with this. All right, let's get a new blade and we'll get this cut off. All right, we got the stones to fit, so now we're going to do the final polish on our earring pieces. Nice and shiny. All right, let's go ahead and we'll set our stone in there. We'll put a little bit of epoxy in there and then close it on up. I'm using Quick Grip. And it's got a quick grip on it. All right. Just a drop. Got the cap back on. Need my good old glasses. Let's get these in here. One. Two. We'll let that set just for a tad, and then we will finish pushing it in. I'm trying to do it where I won't hide it from you. There. Okay, we got them finished. Now all we have to do is just put the hooks in and we're good to go.